Hi, and welcome to Rachel Art with Heart.
Hi, hello, and welcome back to Rachel Art with Heart. I am so happy to see you. Today, I have a really fun project planned for us that's gonna get a little messy. So make sure you are creating somewhere that is safe to get messy. Also, make sure you ask a grown-up friend if it's okay to make this project wherever you decide to create it. Because today, we are going to be making some glitter slime. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, making our very festive glitter slime. Now for this project, make sure you are somewhere where things can get messy. Make sure you aren't wearing anything that you really care about in case the slime starts to stick to your clothes. And also make sure your hair is tied back if you have long hair. I have my Tide right here, but have some extra Tide on hand just in case, because it's always good to dip your hands into that in case the slime starts getting too messy. It's always great to have more of that kind of Tide or solution right there. The first thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna get my half a cup of glue. Using my spoon, I'm carefully pouring it all out. If you have clear glue, that's okay. I have this white Elmers glue, which will kind of turn a little bit bluish because of my Tide. And then I'm gonna pour my Tide. Pour. I'm gonna add a little bit more Tide in here, just in case. Oops. Because it's always good to have some more Tide on hand. And then I'm gonna mix. Mix. You can start to see the slime start to clump together. But don't grab it just yet. Want to make sure we're still using our spoon to mix, because it does get super sticky. All right, I'm gonna slowly pour in a little bit more. Mix. Scraping all the edges. You can see that my white glue turned blue because of my Tide. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add in some of our glitter. I have this white glitter over here. Sprinkle some of that on. I have some silver glitter. Carefully sprinkle some of that in there. And then we're gonna mix. Mix it all in. Mix in all the glitter. I think we're about ready to pick up our slime and start playing with it. Now, with slime, it's important to remember to keep your hands moving. Slime likes heat. So if you just stick with your hands like this, the slime's gonna start to melt. You wanna keep your hands moving. Also, make sure to have the Tide there so you can always kind of stick in your fingers in case things start to get way too sticky and way too messy. But you're gonna kind of try to roll it into a ball. It's gonna stick to your fingers, it's gonna stick to your hands, and that's okay. Keep it moving. Don't stop, don't freeze, because then it's gonna start to melt, okay? All right, so I'm gonna start getting ready to pick up my slime. Go. I'm gonna put my fingers like that into my Tide, roll it on my hands, and then I'm gonna pick up my slime. Ooh, it's slimy. Gonna shake in some more glitter. Make it really shiny. Fold it in. And there's my glittery slime.
You guys, I hope you've had as much fun making our glitter slime as I did. I know with slime, it's even more fun to play with it afterwards. But again, make sure you're playing with it somewhere that you're allowed to. It sticks to carpet, it sticks to hair, and it sticks to clothes. So make sure your hair is pulled back. Make sure you're wearing some clothes that you can play with slime in. And make sure you're not somewhere where there's going to be carpet because your slime will stick in the carpet. Some tips for slime. Slime melts in heat. So don't do it in the heat. When it gets hot, it starts to get really sticky and extra slimy, okay? Slime likes to be somewhere cool. So keep your slime in the fridge to help it be nice and cool. That's why this project is so great to do when it's a little bit cold outside. You can also do this project in the summer as well, but just keep in mind to be somewhere where it's shady and don't have your slime sitting out in the sun. That is not a good mix. All right, you guys, I hope you had so much fun creating our glitter slime today. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe. We're always creating something fun, so come back again or check out my other videos. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!